Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in following the Forex markets or just want to keep an eye on your favorite currency pairs, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to add currency pairs to your watch list on TradingView. By the end of the video, you'll not only know how to customize your watch list, but you'll also have a clear understanding of why this simple tool can make your trading life so much easier and more organized. Let's get started right away. First things first, you'll want to head over to TradingView. You can do this by opening up your web browser and just typing in TradingView.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in, but if you don't worry, you can follow along with just a free account for now. TradingView is one of the most popular platforms for charting, tracking, and analyzing all kinds of financial instruments, but their watchlist feature is especially handy for staying on top of specific markets like Forex. Once you're at the home page, look toward the top of the screen and you'll notice a menu bar. Find the section labeled Products and give it a click. This will show you the various tools TradingView offers, but for our purposes today, we're focused on the Watchlist, which is your go-to panel for quickly checking on all the markets or currency pairs you care about. Now, over on the right-hand side of your screen, you should see a Watchlist panel. If it's your first time here, it might have a few default stocks or instruments in there already. What we want to do is add our own currency pairs, and TradingView makes this super easy. Look for a small plus sign, it's right next to where it says Watchlist. Think of this plus button as your gateway to customization, the door that lets you build a watch list tailored exactly to your interests. Go ahead and click the plus icon. This will open up a search field where you can type in whatever symbol you're interested in tracking. For example, let's say you want to keep an eye on the EURUSD, which is the euro versus the US dollar, one of the most widely traded currency pairs in the world. In the search box, just start typing EURUSD. As you type, you'll notice TradingView begins to suggest matching instruments right away, making it really quick to find the exact pair you're looking for. Once you see EURUSD in the list, just click the small plus sign next to it, and just like that, it's added to your watch list. You can repeat this process for as many pairs or instruments as you want. Maybe you want to track GBPJPY, USDJPY, or any other combination. The beauty of having a customized watch list is that you can quickly glance at current prices and stay organized, instead of searching manually every time you log in. It's a tiny time saver that really adds up if you're checking these markets every day, and that's all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you've started to build your own personalized hub for all the currency pairs you care about. If you're brand new to TradingView, don't worry if it takes a minute to get used to how everything's laid out. Once you try it a few times, it becomes second nature. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another feature on TradingView you'd like to see me cover. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.